I am at the Millbury Classic Car and Truck Museum in Millbury, Ohio. I've been to a lot of museums, not a whole lot, but a few. And this is one of the best ones I've seen. They have a lot of nice cars. Let's go inside and look. Follow me. The Batmobile, the Joker. All the old toys. The Lone Ranger. Dale Earnhardt. Cheech and Chong. The Blues Brothers. And this is the DeLorean. Here's this side. Back to the Future. Doc and Marty. Going to Herbie the Love Bug. Looks like the Duke back there. Herbie the Love Bug. Getting a Marty McFly's Toyota. I can already tell this place is gonna be worth coming back to see. All the gold gas pumps. We'll go down this side first. Pontiac 1966 Pontiac GTO. 1965 Pontiac GTO. I'm not sure if we're allowed to cross those lines, so please look, don't touch. 64. That's a nice car. That's a Troy. '66 Ford Fairlane. 69. It's a Nova, 69 Nova. Sorry, I didn't get this side of that. 69 Chevy Camaro. Let's go down this way. Ooh. Chevy Camaro. My wife would love this one. Trans Am. good. Now we got the Mustang side. Some old gas pumps. That's kind of cool. This is the side my son would like. Two 2007. Sorry. Any car lover would love this place, no matter what kind you like. Crazy purple. 1966 Mustang fastback. Ooh, I like the yellow one. Excuse me. 1965 Mustang. That's a nice one too. Good Lord. 1971 Chevrolet. Some got engine open, some don't. A lot of cars here. Definitely worth coming to see if you're a car collector, car lover. It's a wagon. That's kind of cool. Chevy Nova. It's like a car show here. Indeed, 64. Sorry if I'm going fast. Hopefully I'm not making anybody dizzy. Is that Richard Petty car? I guarantee this video, hopefully y'all enjoy it, but I guarantee it does not do justice to how beautiful these cars are and how beautiful this place is. Chevy Impala. How big it is. It's $12 to get in, but man, I had to pay $20. Hope the owner don't hear that though. Oh, look, we're getting into trucks. Chevy. Bet my father-in-law would love this one. 1972 Chevy. see one I definitely. Oh, look at that. Powder blue. I'm just kind of walking along. Hopefully the video comes out good. You guys should come see this for yourself. This is nice. I haven't seen the one I want to see yet. There's a 60 quart, 4 quart, that Stingray. And you can get right in there. You can't set number. Yeah. I mean, here's the kiddos in the back. Volkswagen room. See what I see. The Lightning McQueen action. Ka-chow. A Mater, Tomater. A golf cart. We'll walk in here before we do stuff. See what's in this room first before we. There's the car I've been looking for. The Beatles. There's John Paul. There's a Road Runner. Daytona. Man, they got a lot of nice cars here. This place is nice. There's a Challenger. We got the Challenger RT. Now, coming soon, the Daisy Duke. And as you can see in the back, they got the Boss Hog catalog. Cadillac, sorry, excuse me, pardon me. The Boss Hog. Roscoe Pico train. I actually got to meet James Best. And Cletus and Enos. I met them all. Well, not all, but. And we come to what I really love, the General Lee. Re-elect Roscoe Pico train. don't know if I'm supposed to come back this way, but we are. To get inside of it. Sorry for the disturbance. A feather duster. That's nice. Right. Let's continue with our tour. They have all these little cool little die casts too. There's so much to see. '63 Cadillac, Corvette, sorry. Pathfinder. 1957 pickup truck. '55 pickup truck. Imagine if you take the time, man, you could spend hours in this place. 55 Bel Air. Wow, that's nice. That's the car. 56 Bel Air. And look at that. That's beautiful. 57 Chevy Bel Air. That's the car. That's a beautiful thing. Another 57 Chevy Bel Air. Here is the Trans Am. My wife's grandpa just had one of these. Smoking the Bandit Edition. Beautiful. These pumps. '69 Impala. Hopefully this video comes out good. I'm still learning. If not, I will be back for sure. I'll probably be back either way. Jeez, this is just a nice. And this is kind of like the concession stand area. Nobody's really here. You'd have to ask the ladies up front, and I'm sure they can get you something. They have some coffee, some cold drinks. I need some Elvis stuff though. Donuts. The bathrooms. It's a Texaco truck. Little golf cart, that's cool. And these are the mannequins. They're actually for sale, which seems like $700 would be a good price for them. The Duke. The little snowmobile with the trailer. Oh, that trailer goes on. That's cool. The trailer looks on the back of the snowmobile. I've never seen that before. Why don't you see it now? Kids would love that. It's a big, massive truck, Jeep. Little handprints. Big. '85 Jeep Scrambler. So I am at Millbury Classic Car Museum, and I found my wife's golf cart. I think this is the coolest golf cart ever. It's a Jeep replica golf cart. Hopefully this video comes out good. Got your cup holders. Get your spare tire. She would, oops, sorry, my bad. I know I showed this once before, but I wanted to show it again in detail, real quick. 1960s Batman. Signed by a bunch of people. This is the Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine. That's all the Scooby-Doo stuff.